back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And guys, got an awesome special video for you today. Just gotta take care of some update things, and then we're gonna talk about some milestones that I recently. Really cool. I just filmed a podcast with an actual professor on Life Made Easy podcast with Tim and Ben. We did a great interview. It went extremely well, and I'd highly recommend you guys check that out. In addition to that, I have even more news. A fan, Hugh Myers of mine, I don't know, he comments on every video, and like he's a huge active subscriber. He went out and made a fan channel YouTube channel, right? The channel a lot. Fan YouTube channel, basically uploading compilations of clips of me on Gaming Made Easy as well as Life Made Easy podcast in this channel. And it's just so funny, and I respect it a ton. And you guys should definitely go subscribe. I'll put the link down in the description if you guys want to go check it out. It's so awesome that I've gotten to the point where I have fans that dedicated who want to make their own fan pages of me, which is nuts. So then I have to do my subscribers to the Life Made Easy podcast, give you guys shout outs. I promised you guys this, and I'm gonna follow up on that. If I just go to screen record here, guys, shout out to all these people who have subscribed. Hugh Myers is right there. These are all the people who subscribe to the podcast who have public subscriptions on. If you don't have public subscriptions on, then your name won't show up. But thank you guys for all showing so much support. Let me just bring my face back here. Thank you so much for showing support on the podcast. As an incentive, you guys go subscribe over there and check out some of our episodes, because we've been uploading amazing content. It's more longer versions of content. And yeah, we do Clone Wars interviews, technology news, stuff like that. It's so fun, and I'd highly recommend you guys check it out. Leave a comment and just let me know what you think about it. I'm open to any feedback you guys want to give me. So yeah, and then I discussed that. And guys, big news, we hit 25k subs on this channel. I have no idea how that's possible, but thank you so much to each and every one of you out there. You guys out there made this possible for me to get to this milestone in my life. Without you guys, I could not obviously get here. You probably heard that 1,000 times from YouTubers, and I think most of them are pretty sincere when they talk about this kind of stuff, because it's you guys who are making this happen. It's not 100%. Like, I couldn't do this without you guys, basically. Like, I'm dependent on, my success is dependent on you actually watching my content, engaging with it, making it show up on YouTube search results, stuff like that, recommended. And I'm just so excited to go forward from here. Got some big plans coming. Once the summer comes, I'll have a little more time, not too much more time, to upload content. I'm definitely going to be continuing with Gaming Made Easy, live streaming gaming content over there, and doing long versions of podcasts and longer form content on Life Made Easy podcast YouTube channel. And we also have an audio version if you guys are interested, available on all podcasting services, which is nuts. Guys, we're like a quarter of 100,000 subscribers, and when I hit that, I'm pretty sure YouTube sends you a plaque with my YouTube channel on it. So I can't wait till that day comes. Hopefully we reach it somewhat soon, but I'm setting my goals high, and I know we can do it, definitely, if you guys just keep engaging with content and giving me suggestions on what you want to see. Feedback is always welcome. And I read like almost every single comment you guys say. And yeah, it's been an awesome experience. Hopefully we can make it grow and expand in the future. I'm going to be contacting several companies to try to help sponsor more videos, make me produce better content, and hopefully sponsor the podcast, because that is definitely a place where companies want to get in and try to promote their brand, especially on a long version of a podcast, and how much brand awareness you can give. Nuts. It's highly undervalued right now. So if you guys are getting into online video creation, look into podcasts, video podcasts especially. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for all the support you've given me throughout these, starting back in 2016. Now we're at 25k subs. Nuts. Thank you so much, guys. So